Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 on PC. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So if you have been wanting to play it, first of all, you simply gotta go ahead, access your browser right there in your PC and type in store.steampower.com, and right over here, or the Steam launcher, and right over here all you have to do is first of all type in One Piece Pirate Warriors 4, and once you have done so, you will be able to access your game right over here. You can see we do have games preview on top. All you have to do is first of all simply purchase it. Once the loading is done, you can see recent events and announcements, account is contents. You will be able to simply purchase your game right over here. And once you have done so, as long as you have the Steam launcher and your PC is in very good condition and you have purchased this particular game from your Steam right over here, you will be able to play it anytime you want. And then afterwards, simply gotta tap on this install Steam on top and simply install Steam launcher, where you can simply manage your games that you own there in the library as well, and you simply will be able to play the game whenever you want, just like accessing it when you have downloaded it. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.